Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set take break reminder on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Now click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then click on the two horizontal lines on the top right corner. Now you'll have to click on the account option which looks like profile icon. Here you can see the take a break option on the top of the list. Click on it. Now you can choose the option if you'd like to set a time of 10 or 20 or 30 minutes or never. Here I'll select 30 minutes, and that is how you can set take a break reminder on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.